This is the Johnny Pag Spider. The Spider is powered by a 300cc liquid-cooled engine. It was designed to cruise at highway speeds and get there quickly. All the Spiders come stock with stainless brake lines, dual disc brakes, twin piston calipers, and scallop rotors in the front, so you have plenty of stopping power in the front of this bike. You'll notice that we have an overall 42-degree rake in the front end here. 5 degrees are in the triple tree. That offset, what it does is it alleviates a lot of the front end flop, and so the bike handles real nice. You'll notice that the Spider comes stock with forward controls to get you that stretched out feeling, but because it's a full-size bike, we've got pullback controls for some of our shorter riders. The Spiders come stock with a pre-wired auxiliary charger for the battery. What that does is when the bike sits for a few months and people don't start it up, the batteries will end up going dead like through the winter, and that's just easy access to the battery. It's really for rider convenience. The seat height is 23 inches and it's adjustable underneath by the shocks, so you can go up or down a couple inches. The Spider is weighing at 350 pounds, gets 65 plus miles per gallon, and it's really an awesome custom bike. If you go on our website, johnnypag.com, you can check out some of the custom stuff people do to it, and I think you'll like it. I'm Johnny Pag, and this is the Johnny Pag Spider.
Bienvenue chez MG Performance. Laissez-moi vous présenter notre démonstrateur 2009. C'est un Johnny Pag Spider 300cc. Le moteur est refroidi par liquide. C'est carburateur. Vous avez plusieurs pièces de chromé là, originalement, comme le moteur, les couverts. Tous les contrôles, c'est tout déjà chromé d'origine. Ici, on a mis des pédales repose-pieds différentes. Et un siège double avec les pédales pour le passager. Notre démonstrateur a 500 km. Pour aussi peu que 4395. Visitez-nous au mgperformance.net ou au 851 principal Saint-Dominique 450-778-2453.